If you want to learn how to make smash burger tacos with turkey meat, you are in the right place. Ground turkey. Salt, paprika, pepper, and thyme. Add a little bit of mustard and mix well with your hands. Next, make 6 medium-sized balls. Preheat olive oil. Take one bowl and press it onto the flour tortilla. Place the tortilla on the skillet with the turkey side down. Flip it over and add some feta cheese. Flip it again and cook until the cheese melts. Now you want to prepare the toppings. Shred fresh cabbage into thin strips. Press it with your hands to release moisture. Add some salt, pepper, and olive oil and mix it really well. Now you want to prepare the sauce. Add sour cream, ketchup, olive oil, and some feta cheese and mix everything really well. Add the sauce to your burger, add cabbage, fold, and enjoy. By the way, it's really good.